Welcome to lesson 3 of this course. So in this lesson, I'm going to introduce to the slide switch. We're going to learn how the slide switch works and how to use it in our circuits. So let's get started. Alright, so the slide switch is just like the switch you have at home, the one you use to turn on the fan and the light. The only difference is for this, you only slide it instead of flipping it up and down. So the way it works is pretty simple, and then some slide switch has 3 pins, some has 4 pins, some has 2 pins. In this tutorial, we're going to be looking at slide switch with 3 pins. So the way it works is pretty simple. So we have 3 pins. So the middle pin is the one in the situation we have battery, and then we supply electricity to the pin in the middle. Now, whatever will connect, if you connect any device or component to the switch, to the pin on the right, the moment we flip the switch to the right, the connection is complete. In other words, electricity flows through. So the same thing happens if we connect anything to the pin on the left. Whenever we slide the switch to the left, the connection is complete, and then the electricity flows through. So that's how the slide switch works. So we're gonna head over to our Tinkercad. So if you don't know how to create an account on Tinkercad, so you can watch lesson 1 to know how to create an account or join a class. So we click on the create and then the circuits. All right, so let's drag out a battery, and then we can flip the battery this way, and I would like to flip it that way. So we can bring in our slide switch. So as you can see, this is how the slide switch works. If I click on start simulation, I can flip it left or right, as you can see. So if I'm flipping to the right, that means if I pass electricity to this common pin, and then the electricity can flow through to the left the moment I slide the switch to the right rather. So let's start our connection. The first thing is we'll need, so from this, the first thing we will need is we'll pass our electricity from the, so let's stop the simulation first. So pass electricity to the pin, the common pin. Second, we have the terminal 1, the common pin, and then we have the terminal 2. So pass electricity to the common pin, and then we can then bridge the connection. In other words, let the connection flow from the common pin. So let me slide it back from the common pin down to the terminal 2. So I can just connect this. Then I can connect my LED. And I connect the cathode of my LED directly to the negative of the battery. So I'm done with the connection. If I start simulation, the light comes off. I flip back to the left, the light goes off. I'll flip back to the right, then the connection is complete, then the light comes up. So that's how the slide switch works. But thank you very much. See you in the next lesson.
In a world where technology is the heartbeat of innovation, have you ever found yourself staring blankly at a screen, feeling overwhelmed by the vast ocean of information? You're not alone. Many embark on the journey to learn tech skills, only to find themselves lost, frustrated, and ultimately giving up. In fact, studies show that a staggering 70% of aspiring tech learners throw in the towel. It's not just about the complexity of coding or the intricacies of data science. It's the lack of guidance and support that often leaves them stranded. But imagine for a moment if you had a personal mentor online, cutting barriers of location. Someone who understands the challenges you face and can light the path forward. Picture this. You're diving into the world of Python programming, and instead of feeling isolated, you have an expert who's there to answer your questions, provide real-time feedback, and celebrate your victories, no matter how small. That's where we come in. At Code Ignite, We offer a range of courses tailored to your needs, from web development to machine learning to Python programming. Our mentors are not just teachers, they are your partners in this journey, guiding you to build practical projects that not only enhance your skills but also boost your confidence. And the best part? You can reach out to your mentor anytime. No more waiting for office hours or feeling like you're on your own. Our students have transformed their careers, landing jobs and pursuing passions they once thought were out of reach. So why not take that leap? Don't let frustration hold you back any longer. Sign up today, unlock your tech potential, and embark on a journey that promises not just knowledge, but support every step of the way. You've got this, and we're here to help you shine.